Hey guys, I'm going to be making slime today. Don't mind my hair for some reason. Well, before my tablet dies, it's at like a few percentage. So I'm just going to go ahead and get my glue and get over with making this slime. And yeah, let me just get everything I need first. Okay, so you may be like, don't you need and my tablet? But anyway, you guys may be like, don't you need Elmer's glue? Like, that's crazy art. Well, I didn't exactly use crazy art. I just put the Elmer's glue in this bottle because I felt like putting it in that bottle. So yeah, but let me go ahead and get my detergent and I'll be right back. Don't mind the way my my tablet is right now. So first, okay, that almost fell. Don't mind the angle, gonna put the glue in my bowl. I'm really thirsty, to be honest. Okay, so that's Elmer's glue. It's Elmer's glue in a crazy art bottle. Oh well. So we're gonna mix a color. We're gonna mix green and orange. I don't know what this color is. I think it's orange and green. Gonna mix these two colors together. And yeah. Gonna see what it's gonna make. It made green. Wow. Just wow. So let's just put everything in one corner.
You okay, man?
Yeah. Sorry,
that was a phone.
Nobody.
Oh, yeah, reading instructions.
Yeah. Okay. There's no measurements. Okay, so they say to pour one at a time. So that drip first. Stop becoming slime, which means I have to add some more like a lot of oh, okay, it's becoming slime now. And as I told you, I mixed the crazy art with the Elmer's, so some of this might not be Elmer's. It might be crazy art, so that might be why some of it isn't activating. Just about to add a lot to make sure this is, it is. Some of this is Elmer's. More like the whole thing was Elmer's. So we're just gonna go ahead and mix this with her, with the, okay, so we took a feel and it's sticky. So yeah, guys, so that was my slime tutorial. Okay, so my mom said I have to spend Tide and stuff on my own money, which means I have $15. But I don't want to spend it all on making slimes and stuff. But I will because I literally want to make slime almost all the time. And Tide is like $8.50 and 57, and glue is like $1, I think. So yeah. And I'm getting Elmer's glue. You can't use any kind of glue except Elmer's. So yeah. So here's the slime. I might just add some more glue because I just might make a big thing of this. Just gonna make a big thing of this. Because I do need to share with the kids at my school because they've been begging for slime. And I mean straight up begging. Oh, and this is a slimy Monday. It's just I didn't post Monday. So I gotta owe you guys a Try It Tuesday and a slimy Monday. All in one. Just gonna put the tablet is about to fall. I might go outside after I make this video. Okay, so yeah, guys. Just gonna go ahead and make a big batch. Activate. Activated it. Just gonna pour the whole activation thing in here so it can be activated. Okay, so it's my green. It's like Nickelodeon slime. It's just that Nickelodeon slime really, some of this isn't slime, to be honest. So I'm just about to add the whole thing of Tide for it to activate, I guess. Because as I told you, some of this wasn't Elmer's glue. Like, it's clumping up. Yeah, I think I had to add a lot of Elmer's glue. I might just add the whole thing because I don't have any more glue. I literally used the whole thing. So, yeah. Gotta get the rest. Yeah, it's gonna be a big thing of slime. Yeah, so it is sliming up as of now. Yeah, I had to add a lot of that stuff, I guess. But I'm not gonna take it out the bowl right now because clearly it's still like, I mean, it's not sticky. Like, it can get off my hand, but like, yeah. So I just made a big thing of slime for school and home. So like, yeah, I should have made a lively, but I didn't. So yeah. Okay, I'm gonna, yeah, it still needs time to dry. So here's my big, I need to get a screenshot of this. Okay, so, I mean my thumbnail. Get off. Okay. Okay, so it's still sticky. It's like Nickelodeon slime, to be honest. People tell me to put salt, but I ruined my slime, my red slime. Not the red slime I did before, but I made a red slime. I think no, I didn't put it on YouTube, but I made a red slime and like I ruined it because I put salt in it. So yeah, just gonna put the rest of this Tide in here and maybe get some more if it doesn't. I mean, it is activating, but shoot, nope, not getting this around my house. Okay, so okay, it's clumping up now, like clumping. Yeah, like it's really clumping now. I think I ruined it. Oh shoot, and it fell. Don't mind that in the corner. Don't mind that. that is my, cause I was doing a video earlier. That is a 3D art thing, and it's still in the. Sorry, guys, it keeps going, but it's still in the 3D art mode. So that is 3D art. Just doesn't show the person up as 3D art, but yeah. I've got to turn the video onto default or whatever. Okay, so we're just gonna, yeah, it is slime now. So I made a big thing of it. Here's my Oopie Gloopy slime. In the comments, you guys can name it whatever. I don't care. It needs a name. But it's the name of it isn't Oopie Gloopy slime. It's just what it is. It is Oopie and Gloopy, you know. But it's not the name. Oh my gosh. Sorry, I had to put my tablet on the charger, and I didn't feel like taking it off because I wouldn't give you guys the video if I had taken it off and made the video. So yeah, so it's just on my charger. It's so Oopie and Gloopy. Look at it. I'm not putting it on my table. I'm not, like, this isn't my first time making slime. The thing is, you don't want to get it on your floor. So I'm just going to go ahead. I might just do it with my fingers now. It's not sticky when I first started making it, see? It's like... Oh my gosh, it's still sticky. Well, yeah, it is sticky. Okay, so we're just going to take it off of me. Here's my Oopie Gloopy. Like, it is very Oopie and Gloopy. I don't think I have a top for this right now, so I'm gonna... It's very thick, so yeah. So I'm just gonna wait till this dries and I'll start playing with it then. So yeah, guys, I hope you guys like this slimy Monday, and I will make a try it Tuesday. So yeah, bye guys.